Hello, you're welcome. How to solve this nice exponential equation? Solution from here. From what we have here, this follows when we have a raised to power n minus n. This same thing as a raised to power n over a raised to power n. That is here. We have 5 raised to power x over 5 squared equals to 30 here. The next step here, I write it as 5 raised to power x over 5 squared 5 times 5, that's 25. Equals to, here we can write this as 30 over 1. The next step here, we cross multiply 5 raised to power x times 1, same thing as 5 raised to power x, equals to, here we have 30 times 25. Then here we take the log on both sides, as this we have log 5 raised to power x equals to log 30 times 25 here. Then we apply the power law of logarithm when we have log m raised to power p. This same thing as p log m. That is, here we have x log 5 equals to log 30 times 25 here. Then from here, we apply the law of logarithm when we have log a times b. This same thing as log a plus log b. That is, here this becomes x log 5 equals to log 30 plus log 25. Then we divide both sides by log 5. And this divide this side by log 5. Also divide this side by log 5. That is, here log 5 cancel each other. And we have x equals to log 30 over log 5 plus log 25 over log 5. Then next step here, 25 can be written as 5 times 5, which is 5 squared. This here we have x equals to log 30 over log 5 plus log 5 squared over log 5. Then here we apply the power law of logarithm. That is, 2 comes here and we have x equals to log 30 over log 5 plus 2 log 5 over log 5. Here we have log 5 cancel each other, 2 left here. That is, x equals to log 30 over log 5 plus 2. Then also here, we can write 30 as 5 times 6. That is, here what we have becomes x equals to log 5 times 6 over log 5 plus 2. Then this also follows the law of logarithm, and we have x equals to log 5 plus log 6 over log 5 plus 2. Then we separate this into two fractions. We have x equals to log 5 over log 5 plus log 6 over log 5 plus 2. Here, log 5 cancel each other. We have 1 left. This becomes x equals to 1 plus 2, which is 3, then plus log 6 over log 5. Also, from here, we can rewrite 6 as 2 times 3. What we have becomes x equals to 3 plus log 2 times 3 over log 5. Then Here this also follows the law of logarithm, and we have x equals to 3 plus log 2 plus log 3 over log 5. Then we separate this into two fractions. We have x equals to 3 plus log 2 over log 5 plus log 3 over log 5. Then here we apply change of base when we have log a over log b. This is the same thing as log a to base b. This here we have x equals to 3 plus log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5. This here we have the value of x here. Then let's check if this satisfies this given problem. We substitute the value of x here, which is x equals to 3 plus log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5. Then what we have here becomes 5 raised to power 3 plus log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5 minus 2. This is equals to 30 on this side. Then here we have 3 minus 2, that's 1. Can write it as 5 raised to power 1. Then plus log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5. This is equals to 30 on this side. Then here we apply the law of indices. A raised to power n plus n, same thing as a raised to power n times a raised to power n. Here we have 5 raised to power 1 times 5 raised to power log 2 base 5 times 5 raised to power log 3 base 5. This is equals to 30 on this side. Then 5 raised to power 1 here, that's 5 times. This follows when we have a raised to power log b to base a, which is equals to b. As this here we have 2 and times 3. This is equals to 30 on this side. And 2 times 3, 6. 6 times 5, that's 30. Equals to 30 from here. Left hand side equals to the right hand side. And therefore, we conclude here that x equals to 3 plus log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5 satisfy this given problem. And thank you for watching. Don't forget these steps. Subscribe for more videos and turn the notification bell on. Share this video, give it a thumbs up and put your comment. See you next lesson. Bye for now.